Hello friends, welcome welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. So we are doing this video because there are many students who are every year they complete their graduation and they have a desire to get into IT jobs or IT world. So So for that purpose, we are going to discuss in this video the campus recruitment process. What is the recruitment process, and recruitment types, and what kind of companies, company types, package structure, selection process, a written test, technical interview, HR round, offer letter, onboarding, preparation for campus interviews. So I'm going to discuss all these topics. So I feel it's very important because many people, yeah, they have very much interest to just try for a job, but due to some confusion or due to lack of knowledge or awareness, they struggle. So for them, it is this video is very useful. Please watch the video till the end. I'm going to cover all these topics. Okay. Yeah. Suppose when you are doing your graduation, let's say it is any degree or engineering from any college, right? You will, if your college is really good and well reputed college, yeah, you will have on campus recruitment. So what is this on-campus recruitment? Your colleges, the colleges invite IT companies or any company to their college for recruiting their students as their employees. So this recruitment process is called on-campus recruitment. Then the second category is off-campus recruitment. Yeah, it is completely up to the students to prepare themselves and to try for a job on their own and get a software job in any IT company. And the third one is pooled placements. So what is this pooled placement? Yeah, there are sometimes university level interviews, job drives will be conducted by the IT companies. So for those drives, all the students affiliated to that for all the students from different colleges affiliated to that university can participate or can try for a job in these pooled placements. It's like similar to on-campus drive. Okay, so that is about pooled placements. Then yes, so everybody is curious, everybody is interested to know, yes, so that what kind of they have their own dreams, what kind of job or in which company they can get a job, right? So when there is any recruitment process, there are two kind of companies will be conducting the interviews. One is product based companies. What is a product based companies? Means these product based companies, they develop their own software products. Google, for example, companies like Google, Microsoft, Meta, Mastercard, Dell, Amazon, Mercedes-Benz, HP, BMC, Snow, Ford, Nest. These are the some of the examples. Okay, so these companies, they come to your college and they conduct the interviews. If you are really selected, they'll hire you as their employee. Okay, and the second type is service-based companies. So these companies, you are well aware, companies like Tech Mahindra, TCS, Wipro, IBM, Infosys, CTS, HCL, Accenture. These are the some examples of IT service providers. So in any of the above companies, you can get a job as a software engineer. Okay, what do these service-based companies they'll do? So Tech Mahindra can have a project from Microsoft. Tech Mahindra can work for Microsoft. TCS can work for Google. Infosys can work for Google. Okay, Wipro can work for Nestle. Right? So these are the service-based companies. Um, they do not develop any kind of projects, any products. Then what is the package structure? So many people wanted to know, yes, how much salary I will get if I get a campus job. So if I get a software job. So here, when you talk about when you talk about package or when you talk about salary, okay, so the salary structure can be different from uh, yeah, one person to other people. So depends on your performance in the interview process. So it can be categorized into three levels, according to me, or according to some discussions with the people. I came to know that there will be different categories: grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3. So what is this grade 1 and what is this grade 3 and grade 2? So coming to that, yeah. So you know very well that IITs, NITs, the people who study there, or any some deemed universities like LPU or WIT or NSRIT, some colleges, some universities are there, or else some tier 3 colleges. Some students will get these kind of high package jobs if they're really have a very good skill set. Okay, so the average package per the annum is from 12 lakhs to 40 lakhs in between. Okay, then what is this grade 2? Based on your performance in the interview, you may get 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs or 6 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. Then grade 3, if your performance is low, you may get basic package of 4 to 6 lakhs, or sometimes there is a chance for rejection also. Okay, so this is about the package structure. This is about the salary structure. So the CTC means CTC to a company means cost to company. CTC means the CTC. This includes fixed salary, fixed pay, and variable pay. Variable pay is like a incentive bonus. Okay, you will not get monthly salary with monthly salary. Okay, if the company performance is good, or if your performance is good, you will get that variable pay 100%. Otherwise sometimes 80%, or suppose let us say your package is 24 lakhs. Out of 24 lakhs, 4 lakhs is variable pay, 20 lakhs is fixed pay. Fixed pay you will get monthly, but variable pay, it depends on company to company. It is a different structure. It can be quarterly or 6 months once or once in a year. The variable pay will be paid to the employees by the companies. Okay, but the variable pay, we are not sure that whether we will get complete 100% or 80% or 85%. So this is about the salary structure. The next one is very important phase is the selection process. So as a graduate, as a student, so as you are trying for the job, you should be knowing well what is the selection process, or what is the selection criteria to get a job, or to get selected in the campus interviews. Right? This process, I cannot say there is a predefined process, or there is a fixed process. No, the process is different from one organization to another. Means one company to another company, it is quite different. The product based companies interview process is different from the IT provider, IT services companies. Okay, but most of the process, most of the phases are same, most of the criteria is same. So step what first as to shortlist the profiles from the applicants, what they do first, they'll set a cutoff academics. So minimum 90 percentage of the companies they look for 60 percentage in the academics of your graduation without any backlogs. But even some topmost companies, they said the cutoff can be 75 percentage also sometimes. But 90 percentage of the companies, the cutoff time percentage is 60. If your percentage is less than 60, so you may not be eligible to attend the interview. Okay. Then next, if you are get shortlisted in academics, in the percentage is good, if you get selected, then the next step is written test. Here you need to prove yourself. So for this, during while your graduation is you are studying your graduation, you need to practice more on this. Okay, you need to plan, you need to have a goal, that you need to plan your skill set. Written test you need, can be written test can be on aptitude, means quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning and technology and communicative English. Most of these are the areas where they will conduct a written test. And the percentage, the marks you secured in the written test also will be very important to get selected in a selection process. Then step 3 is, if you're okay, if you have cleared your written test, then you will be selected for the next round, that is group discussions. Mainly, the main objective or main motto of this group discussions is to test your uh, presentation skills or communication, because once you get into the job, you need to deal with the people, you need to work in a team, and you need to handle the client, right? So that is why uh, I don't say yeah, you need to have good communication skills, because you need to manage the team, you need to manage the client, you need to manage the people, right? So to test your communication skills, they'll conduct these group discussions. Then step 4 is technical round. So here, technical round, I cannot say it is a fixed. Some companies they test the basic knowledge based on your engineering syllabus. So for CSC students, mainly whatever they have, computer science students from engineering, whatever the syllabus they have, they can prepare during engineering. They can be tested on those topics. But it's non CSE students will be there, right? Triple E, mechanical, ECE, these students also, they'll apply for the IT jobs, right? These kind of students, during their engineering, they need to get skilled, they need to upskill, they need to learn uh, about a few operating systems, or else RDBMS, mean relational database management systems like SQL or any of the database they can learn. And they can also get in touch with the programming languages like CCPP, Java, .NET, Python, HTML, artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, RPA. RPA means robotic process automation, and data science. So technical round is very, very, very important, because based on your profile you have submitted, and the interviewer will ask you the questions on technology, which technology you have mentioned in your profile. Based on the technology, they will ask you the questions. You need to get prepared for that. Okay. And some people, they're interested in cloud computing, some people they're interested in cyber security. There are a lot of technologies available, right? These are just examples to give you some overview what kind of technologies available in the market. Hundreds of technologies available in the market, but you need to choose based on your capability, or based on your interest. You need to choose the which one. Some people, they like testing tools, So it's easier, they feel that it's easier for them to learn. Some people, they like coding, right? They're very much interested in writing the software programs and coding. Then they can learn programming languages. Some people, they are interested in database, they can learn, they can um, try for a database developer, database administrator. Different roles are there in real time. And then some people, they'll just like to work on some reporting tools. There are different reporting tools, you can see the list here, right? So you can, technical round will be completely purely based on your profile. Okay, then if you have cleared the technical round, the next phase is HR round step. The next process in the next step in the selection process is HR round. So HR round means already you know, right? They'll ask you about yourself. So they'll ask you some strategical questions, some behavioral they'll test your behavior. They'll test your thinking levels. They'll test your attitude. Okay. Some people will ask more generic questions. They will also discuss the future aspirations, and they'll also ask you common question. Why should we select you? You need to justify. And what is your expected CTC? So what is the package you're expecting from the company if you have selected? Right? After HR round, if you are selected in the HR round, what is the next process? Yes, you will get a mail from the company to submit the documents. They'll create an ID. They'll create an account for you, and you will have to log in with the user ID and password, and you will have to submit your educational documents. Whatever the like ID proofs, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and your educational documents from 10th class to your graduation. So if all goes well, they'll release the offer letter. So you will get a mail from the company that congratulations, you have been just selected for a position with the organization. We are happy to share with you the offer letter. Offer letter will contains the terms and conditions, the date of joining, and the CTC breakup, means what is your monthly salary, and what is the HRA, what is the special bonus, what is the medical allowance, what is the PF, everything. It offer letter will contain salary breakup, terms and conditions, and then date of joining and everything. So on the date of joining, you will once that is done, you can accept the offer and you can reject the offer. If you are not interested in joining the organization, you can reject the offer in a polite way. If you are happy with that offer, you can just confirm, you can acknowledge that you are going to join the organization. Okay, you are happy to, glad to join the organization. Then onboarding. What is this onboarding? Means you are joining with the organization. So where on the day of onboarding, you will be introduced with the organization history and what they're doing currently and the vision of the organization. You'll get to know more about the company and the rules and regulations of the company. So then what are the next activities once you join the company, and all these things they will discuss on that day, date of your onboarding. Then once onboarding is on completion of successful onboarding, yeah, based on your interest, sometimes they'll give you oh, the chance to choose the technology. Sometimes they will recommend you a good technology. So whatever the technology they suggest you, you will be get trained in the technology up for 2 months or 3 months. Then you will be tagged or you will be assigned with a project. Okay. So this is the end-to-end process. Then to come just to do to get a job in any software company, right? So how should be your preparation? My I'm sorry, my suggestion would be, so as soon as you start your graduation, you need to have a goal. So what kind of jobs you wanted to try after completion of your engineering or degree or your graduation? Accordingly, you need to start your preparation. Okay, and you need to have a plan. So you need to find out what are your strong areas and what are your weak areas. Right. Suppose you are very strong in reasoning and arithmetic, and you are very strong in logical thinking or problems for solving skills, then no problem. Then if you are poor in communicative English like verbal ability, vocabulary or grammar, you just improve those skills. And parallelly, when you prepare for a job, you need to first prepare for written test. So written test is very, very important, either on campus or off campus. If you try as a fresher, this is written test is playing very important and vital and crucial role. In this written test, you need to get minimum cutoff score to go to the next round. Okay. And the next one is, once you are okay with this, say you need to prepare the reasoning and arithmetic concepts and communicative English, verbal ability, vocabulary and grammar. And some people also they'll take test on technology based. Suppose you have put in your profile CCPP or Java or .NET or some any technology. Based on the technology, you will be given the questions. Okay, if you have cleared this round, and you will be selected for the next round, technical interview. Here, as I mentioned, so there are a lot of technologies available in the market, but choose the right technology and just prepare well. So my suggestion would be, yeah, there are a lot of technologies. My suggestion would be, let us go to the technology. Yeah, my suggestion would be lot of easy. Get familiar with one operating system, at least one database like IBM DB2 or Oracle DB or MS SQL DB, SQL Server, or programming language basics like C, CPP, Java. If you know C, CPP, Java, you can understand. Then you can do .NET coding, you can do Python coding, HTML also. Okay, so base minimum technology skills is required to clear the technical round. Okay, so you need to prepare well on that. Then HR round, completely based on your soft skills and your communication skills, your attitude and your behavior, your mindset will play a very important role in the HR round. So you need to prepare thoroughly. Yeah, see, your life is in your hands, your future is in your hands. Nobody can come and give you what opportunities. You have to create opportunities. So because see, whatever your knowledge, your skill set is the matter for any IT company. If you're well skilled, if you are good at lot of things, definitely they'll hire you. So with this, I'm closing this video. Let us be positive, have a plan from the beginning, from the first year onwards, for your job in the fourth year or third year. I wish you all the best. Thank you all for watching. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Please click on bell icon for more updates from my channel. Thank you very much.